Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Valinda local and long distance movers near me. We ensure that your long distance move occurs on schedule with no worry. No matter how far you need to move, our qualified crew of movers can make it a lot easier. By using the right moving services to assist you, any type of relocation, big or small, becomes a lot simpler. Hiring our team guarantees you receive access to all of the standard long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. However, when you start to realize the advantages, the expense seems well worth it. You get the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. Movers can also ensure you don't need to take care of any of the heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you receive a very efficient move throughout. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined solution for moving day. A move that would take you all weekend to perform, we can handle in one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Valinda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.